Good evening. Thanks for joining us here for the 10 o'clock news. I'm Wayne Garcia.
And I'm Nora Hart. First on Fox, Oregon has once again shattered its record for the most COVID-19 cases in a single day. The Oregon Health Authority reported well over 6,000 cases today and 9 new deaths. While cases skyrocket, we are keeping a close eye on hospitalizations.
And as we speak, 523 people are in the hospital with the virus, which is less than half the peak we saw during the Delta surge. We have complete live team coverage for you tonight, showing you the impact of the surge in Oregon and Washington. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez will break down the big problem at Portland Public Schools. Many teachers, they're out. Simply not enough substitutes to fill the gaps.
But first, let's check in with Fox 12's Audrey Wheel. She's live in Vancouver tonight after finding out Washington State will be sending out millions of free COVID rapid tests and masks. Audrey?
That's right. Soon, masks and tests will be going out to local health departments, clinics, and schools. And similar to what President Biden has announced at the national level, Washingtonians will be able to order rapid tests online and have them sent to their home from the state level. That's supposed to be starting in just a couple weeks here. With Washington State reporting a 146% increase in COVID infections in the past week, Governor Jay Inslee announced new measures Wednesday to help limit Omicron's spread.
Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball about the days to come, but I do believe there is reason to have hope that we will weather this storm because we have the tools available to us to protect ourselves, increase our protection.
The Washington Department of Health ordered 5.5 million at-home rapid tests. It already has 800,000 of them and expects the rest to come in the next week or two. 1 million of those will go to schools. 1 million will go to local health organizations, ideally to reach certain populations like people in long-term care facilities or who are houseless. And the rest will be available through an online site in partnership with Amazon and Care Evolution, where Washingtonians can order them to come to their house for free. The governor also announced sending 10 million masks out to communities.
I think it's a great idea.
Ashley Davidson is recovering from COVID herself. She thought she maybe had a cold and got a test before going to a sporting event. She was shocked to see it was positive.
Just had to basically be in bed and at home.
She tells us through her insurance, she was only allowed to get that one COVID test, so then scrambled to find a second at the end of her quarantine.
You basically have to just be on the hunt on your phone, online, trying to figure out what stores might possibly have them in stock.
She's hopeful the online access will make things easier.
I think there's people like me out there that also, think that they might just have a minor cold, and that's not what it is. And we definitely do need more resources out there to know if you're positive. That way you can quarantine yourself at home and not be spreading it any further.
Now, again, the website to order tests this way through the state is not up yet. The expectation is that will be up and running middle of this month. So we'll, of course, let you know how to access that once we know. Reporting live in Vancouver, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.